With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, so we have a question. Foldings of inner mitochondrial membranes are called A. grana, B. thylakoids, C. cristae, and D. F node Fi structures, FOF1 structures. So students, the mitochondria, it is a double membrane bound structure. Double membrane bound structure, or you can say cell organelle, which is known as the powerhouse of the cells, and it is present in all the eukaryotes. So it has two membranes, outer and inner. So the inner mitochondrial membrane has folds which are known as cristae, and it helps in increasing surface area. Then they have the enzyme ATP synthase, which are embedded in the inner mitochondrial membrane. So ATP synthase, which helps in the synthesis of ATP. So it is also the site for the electron transport, what we say chain, which is aerobic respiration. So students, answer the question is option C, cristae. So the answer is option C. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.